with us we'll learn today. So fun in every way. B-I-S-O-U-S. Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. Welcome back to my magical kitchen. Today we're going to whip up scrumptious cheesy egg muffins and discover the wonders of things that float and sink. Let's first gather all of our ingredients. Magic Micro, can you please tell us what we'll need for this recipe? We need eggs, cheese, milk, and a bright red pepper. Thanks, Magic Micro. Thanks, Sous Chef Encore, for putting this all out for us. Fun fact, eggs are a powerhouse of protein and vitamins, boosting our brain power. Along with these things, we'll need a mixing bowl, a silicone muffin tray, a tablespoon measuring spoon, a half-cup measuring cup, a ladle, and a whisk. Remember, with an adult's help, you can do things ahead of time, like chop your red peppers or shred your cheese, just like Sous Chef Encore has done for us. Thanks, Sous Chef Encore.
You're welcome.
There goes our safety chime. Thanks for the reminder, Magic Micro. We need to remember to always have an adult in the kitchen and be very careful when we're dealing with things that are really hot. And let's not forget, cleanliness is key in the kitchen. Let's make our way to the sink and sing our hand-washing song.
Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand-washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands.
Now let's dive into our float or sink exploration. What does it mean to sink or float? Floating is when something stays on the surface of the water. Magic Micro, can you please show us an example of something that floats? Aha! A boat rests at the top of the water. That's floating. For sinking, imagine something going down to the bottom of the water. Can you please show us an example, Magic Micro?
Yes, an anchor is like a big rock that sinks to the bottom when it's dropped from a boat.
As we prepare our cheesy egg muffins, let's play a game and guess whether our ingredients will sink or float. Magic Micro, can you please show us our first ingredient that will either sink or float? Eggs! Do you think our egg will sink or float? Let's give it a try. Look at that! Our egg sinks to the bottom. We need 6 eggs for our recipe, so let's carefully crack them one at a time into our mixing bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Be sure to remove any stray shells. We don't want any crunchy muffins. Now we should probably get rid of these and clean this up. Sous Chef Encore, would you mind cleaning this for me, please? Thanks, Sous Chef Encore. Perfect, all clean. It's time to whisk these up into a nice yellow mixture. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk to give it a little extra creaminess. Here's our tablespoon. Remember, we'll need 2 of these. All right, 2 tablespoons of milk, here we go. 1, and there we go. 2, perfect. Now time to mix it up into our beautiful mixture. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. Magic Micro, what's our next ingredient? Ooh, cheese. I wonder if our shredded cheese will sink or float. Let's put one in there and see what happens. This small piece of shredded cheese floats, but a bigger piece of cheese might sink. Oop. Okay, now we'll need a ½ cup of shredded cheese. A ½ cup measuring cup looks like this. It's 1/2. We're going to add ½ cup of this cheese into our mixing bowl. I think I'll use my hands to make this easier. There we go. Okay, let's dump it in there. Now let's give it a good mix. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. This would be a good time to add a little bit of salt and pepper to your mixture. Now, this is optional, but it does add some nice flavor. Okay, just a pinch. Magic Micro, what's our last ingredient that will either sink or float? Ooh, red pepper. I love adding a little bit of color to my meals, especially when it's my favorite color. Now, do you think the red pepper will sink or float? It sinks. This cut red pepper sinks. Let's sprinkle these red peppers into our mixing bowl. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. It's now oven time for our cheesy egg muffins. Thanks, Sous Chef Encore, for bringing out our mini oven here. Remember, when we're dealing with ovens, we should always have an adult present. With your adult, please set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just like that. Let's fill our muffin tray with our egg mixture using a ladle. A ladle is a spoon that dips down to hold lots of liquid. Let's get our whisk out of the way. We don't need that anymore. We're dividing our mixture into 6 equal parts. Before we do that, I always like to use a tray like this, just to make it easier to put into the oven. All right, let's count our 6 equal parts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The oven is ready. Let's put them in. We'll need about 20 minutes or so until they're cooked all the way through. What shall we do while we wait? Ooh, it's time for Sous Chef Encore's surprise visit.
Hi, Chef Bisous. What's cooking?
Hi, Sous Chef Encore. We've been making cheesy egg muffins and learning about floating and sinking. They're in the oven now, so we have some time while we wait.
How about we explore more sink and float mysteries with a song?
Can I sing with you, please?
Of course you can. Magic Micro, work your magic. You can sing and dance along if you know this song.
In a tank, water filled high, let's explore, we'll use our eyes. Grab some food, here we go, will they sink or will they float?
Which food should we test out, Chef Bisous?
Let's see. Well, I have a juicy red apple. And this cookie. Oh, and this marshmallow.
Oh my goodness, I love marshmallows. They're so yummy.
Will they sink or will they float? Float! Float, float, float. They float, float, float. Up, up they go. Up, up they go. These foods float.
That was so much fun. Let's try again. What other foods can we test out?
Well, I have a carrot. Ooh, an avocado. And I also have this big potato.
That is a big potato.
Will they sink or will they float?
Sink!
Sink, sink, sink. They sink, sink, sink. Down, down they go. Down, down they go. These foods sink.
Okay, Sous Chef Encore. For this next round, I'm going to surprise you with different foods. Are you ready to find out if they float or sink?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do it. Nuts and seeds, a piece of toast. What about cheese? I have to know. Drop them in, here we go. Will they sink or will they float? Sink and float. Sink, sink, sink. And float, float, float. Down, down they sink. Or up, up they float. Sink, sink, sink. And float, float, float. Down, down they sink. Or up, up they float. Some foods sink and some foods float.
The cheesy egg muffins must be ready. Magic Micro, can you please send me back to the kitchen with Sous Chef Encore?
Thanks,
Magic Micro. Remember, the oven is really hot, so make sure to have an adult with you whenever you're using one. Oh wait, we need to let them cool down a bit. We should put a trivet down. A trivet will help to protect our counter. While we wait for these to cool, we should probably tidy up.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Chef Bisous.
Do you think you can help me?
Absolutely.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining me today to learn about floating and sinking while we made our cheesy egg muffins. Remember, every dish deserves a chef's kiss. Bye, mini chefs. I can't wait to learn and cook with you next time. Bye.
Chef Bisous.